content, class 12, subject IP, unit 1, data handling using pandas, part 1. In this presentation, the topic is iteration. If we want to access record or data from a data frame row wise or column wise, then iteration is used. Pandas provide two functions to perform iteration: iter rows and iter items. Suppose we are making three dictionaries here, 2015, 2016, 17, three dictionaries, and with these help of these three dictionaries I made one DI cells dictionaries. Then I make here DF cells, one data frame, with the help of this dictionary. Now print DF cells. Here I am writing for row comma row series in df cells dot iter rows. Iter rows function we will discuss here, and this is the coding. This coding I am just taking in the next part, and we will learn what the working in this coding. Okay, this part is for only making the data frame, so you can create easily data frame. Next here, for row series in df cells dot iter rows. This is your df cells. This is your df cells. In this for row series in df cells dot iter rows, means first this row in df cells iter rows means this row has index and row series take the values. Row index quarter 1, row index, row in row, this row column is getting row number. This row is taking this row index, and row series have the value of this things. Means when we print row index in double quote, it will print as it is, and in row variable it will give the value quarter 1, it will display quarter 1. Printing containing, it will as it is printing containing in double quotes, whatever you will write in the print command, it will display as it is. If you write print row series, in row series, what is the in row series? Row series are having 3450 and 20515 column, 4490 and 2016 column, 2017 and 5450 column. This is the for loop. So this is the first loop. In the first loop, it row will take quarter 1 value, and this row series will take these values. In the next one, when it will go again in the for loop, it will take the row will take quarter 2, and row series will get the values of quarter 2 rows. Again it will show row index row means quarter 2. Now this row variable having quarter 2, and row series, and second is print containing, it's containing. Then print row series are having 2015 column, 56000. Look here, these are the value. Again loop will executes. Then the next one is in row, it will take quarter 3 containing, and these values are there. Row index quarter 4 and containing, there are values. And after that this loop, the for loop will be quitting, and it will exit from this loop. So this is the answer here, you can see. Again in iteration, you can make the df cells in print df cell is there. For row series in df cells, print row index row containing. Now we will take the each value in row also. We can take the, or we can access the each row, each value of the row. So I equal to 0 for val in row series. Print at I position val I equal to I plus 1. So I am just taking all these here. Print row index equal to row index quarter 1 containing, then I equal to 0. So I value of I is 0. For val, look here, I equal to 0 for val in row series, and in row series row is having what value? Quarter 1. Row is having quarter 1, and row series are having these values. This is the row series. Then val, first val 3 4 5 0, it will take first in val. So at, this is the at I, value of I is 0 0, POS position, and the val is having 3 4 5 0. I equal to I plus means I, the value of I is now 1, and again this loop will execute. Then val is, the value of val is 4490, and will come print at 1 position, and val is 4490. Then I equal to I plus 2, then I value of I will become 2. It again it loop will execute. Then val is 54500. So it will go 54500. After that this loop will end. Then it will go in the first loop or outer loop. Again row is a quarter 2 now. Row is a quarter 2 now, and row series will get 56000 like that, this one. And again I equal to I become again 0. I became again 0. So value of index is quarter 2 containing I equal to 0 val first at 0 position 56000. Then next loop will execute. Then I become 1. So at 1 position 4610, at 251000. The loop have, this loop has executed and completed. Then again it's go to the outer loop. Row become quarter 3 row index row quarter 3 containing I equal to 0 for val in row series. Row series is 47000 57000 57. So it will take first 47000 at position 0 47000. I become 1 at position 57000. It's 57000. Again the loop will outer loop will execute. So row index quarter 4 and positions you can see. Iter items brings you vertical subset from a data frame in the form of column, index and series object containing values for all rows in the columns. अभी हमने क्या देखा था कि जो रोज है वो एक एक रो को उठा के उसके अंदर की एक एक वैल्यू को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर हम एक एक कॉलम की वैल्यू को उठा के एक एक कॉलम को पूरे को कॉलम उठा सकते हैं, एक एक कॉलम की एक एक वैल्यू को हम ले सकते हैं. सो here again I am just taking that same data frame, but here writing call value in df cell iter items, and all the things are same. Column index, look here I am just taking this coding here. Column index call means 2015, and the value is quarter 1 containing call values are this one. These values will come in the first column. Then next loop for column will 2016, and the values will come this, and column 3 2016, and value of column 3 become the answer. Column index 2016 again containing call values. These call values are there. The next is column 2017, and this loop, third loop will execute, third time it will loop will execute, then this is the answer and loop has terminated now. In this again we can see a single coding. Single coding you can see here, this all column values are there. We can take one by one, 3450 56000 by this inner loop containing at 0 position 34 I plus 1 56000 47000 4900, this one. And the outer loop again executes column 2016, and inner loop will containing inner loop will execute first time 0 position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position, third position. Then again column 2017, this is 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 position. This is the answer for column label. So iter items for column label and iter rows for row label data we can access one by one in the by the for loop. This is assignment for you. Why we use iteration functions in pandas. Second, write the name of two iteration function used in pandas. Thank you.